Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat ke Sangma, Ulai ya Dorkhas Menteri Korbari Amit Shah. Kabapen ya kajeng sengukia bat kajeng kerpat jong kajala. Hakajeng ya kendu jongki Shillong Menteri Rangba ula kendu ya kasor karpedeng. Bahkan penklan ya kilat kilenti ban yakun ya kajeng wandrung bi an kibreu. Dakaba ajeng mod ya kilat kumka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA bat ka Inner Line Permit ILP bladep pelait lepa daka yang dorbar tauan jong kajala kibala ban yarap ban pej ya karung kami jong kibreu sepo kajala Meghalaya ukarat ke sangma ula bandru ya ke Jingdawa ban kentub ya ka keten khasi bat garo hapo ka kernet bapra jong kariti sensar kari syu ula ya pleu jeng mud halor ka jing temu ban penkela ya ka six kedel bat ula pen pauru ya ke jing sukya halor ka jing penkela badang sien ya ka forum Contribution Regulation Act FCRA Shillong Frontier at the heart of Meghalaya.
During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the Northeast Council, on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration. And we have urged the Government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the Government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The 4th issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the 4th issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I've mentioned in the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. Thank you very much.